What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another DU screen recorder video. I have progressed a lot throughout that time. I now have 2 gifted bees of Puppy Bee event. So yeah. Okay. Let's go and get my honey. Let's use the slingshot, use my treat dispenser. Oh, okay. Let's just get the seed one quick. Hopefully it doesn't, oh crap. Crap. Usually my bees would have already killed it. Come on, bees. There you go. I don't know if I'm still gonna do this. I mean, it looks like it's not gonna take too long. Alright, I'll give it 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll do it. Okay. I hear like a bug. Oh, there's nothing. Alright, so these are my challenges. I'm gonna go to the pine tree after this. I don't know why it paused, but if you guys didn't see I got the seed one, so. Alright, I got some stuff. Oh, Thunder must have completed his quest. What's the honey tokens? 3 tickets, sunflower seeds, and a lot of honey. Battle for boots. Defeat 50 ants, 4 werewolves. Okay. And focus token, 500, yeah. Alright, so I have a couple bees that give me focus tokens. Let's make some honey. I almost discovered all the bees in the game. I'm not counting event or gifted bees, though. I'm just saying bees in general. See? I believe I only have like 2 that I haven't discovered yet. Yeah. No, 1, which is Shy Bee. The rest are all that event bees. Alright, let's go use the red candy. Let's get my size. Alright. Open shop. If I use this and I get a rose field, I'm gonna use it. I always get mushroom field. I'm not using it. Well, I'll just do my rose field. Woo. Let's get that out. There we go. Wait, no. Seed one sprouted. I'd rather do my quests and do that. My gifted bees gave me something. Okay. I'm now saving up for the cobalt bee with my ticket, so I'm gonna save up for that. And then after that, I don't know what I'm gonna save up for. All I know is I have 25 bees, and right now I'm saving up for the keeper's hat, which is 24k, no, thousand. Million. Now I just bought the propeller hat and guards and all that. So wait, no, not the propeller hat, the duffel bag. So I'm almost done with my rose field. Oh yeah, I got a moon amulet. If you guys didn't see, it's right there. Time's looking okay. Let's see if I'll be able to complete my one quest in the video. Pollen from the blue flower field, 2 million. Oh yeah, I know that quest. I'm not gonna be doing that for a while. I mean, I'll work on it sometimes, just not all the time. So I have easier quests. Almost done with the rose field, guys. Hopefully it's not loud. It wasn't my last video, so I turned my volume down. Just to make sure. That should be good. Alright, now let's head over to the pine tree forest. Alright, we gotta go over. I'm going to get my bubble wand. There's also mantises. I'll have enough kill done by the time after this challenge. Yay! After I complete this challenge, I'm gonna go do brown bears because he has one for my daily challenge. Let's use my red cannon. Hello, Rhino Beetle. Have a nice day. DC Batman. He has one gifted bee. A lot of event bees, though. Oh, he has the gummy bee. Coming to the rescue. Alright, werewolf's gonna spawn, so I'm gonna have to hide behind the pumpkin. Come on, werewolf. Come on. Yeah, there you are. Get me. I dare you. There you go. Kill the mantis now. Oh, there's one over there. And over there. I don't know why the mantises aren't showing. It's a little weird. But we got them. I'm already over 10,000 with this challenge. I get stuff really quick. While I'm hidden, I'm also gonna look at my leaves. So close, I'm gonna go down to the bamboo field then. I'm super close. complete this challenge in the time that I set for the video. It's gonna be either 15 or 20 minutes. Now, if I look at my quest, yeah, I killed all the mantises I need to. Now, ladybugs. There's 2, 3, 4. Wait, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4. And I have to wait for them to respawn, which is like 4 minutes. So, I'll probably make the video 20 minutes. This is probably one of the easiest quests I've had yet. Since I got my slice and bubble one. After I get the keeper's hat, I'm gonna be working on my instant conversion and all of that. See if I can save up for the Parcelian Dipper. That's my next objective after that. I'm not saving up for the glider till for a while. After the Parcelian Dipper, I'll save up for that. It's gonna be easy stuff then. Then I could get everything up in that shop. Alright, now time to go to the ladybugs. Yeah, okay. Have my bubble wand out. Yeet. Kill the ladybugs. There we go, now I see them. Not gonna worry about Mr. Spooter. Come on, Mr. Ladybug. How long does it take him to respawn? 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm just gonna head right up to the strawberry field then when I do it. Alright, last ladybug's up here. Let's see, look at Brown Bear has a quest. I'm doing it. I summon a horny norm. I summon norm. The whole screen just filled up. I'm gonna get a couple more pieces. Drops of honey. There we go. Alright, I'm good. Strawberry field 4. Ooh, that's a lot. Well, that's actually fine with me. Cause when the ladybugs spawn, I'll be there. I'm just gonna empty my backpack at my size, and then there we go. I have the second biggest hive here. And probably the most legendaries. That guy over there has the most gifted bees. If you see him, he's 3. How does that guy have no gifted bees but almost a full hive? Just if there's tab on phone for this game. Come on, 5
5,000 off of 3 million. Come on. My objective for this week is to get 10 mil. Leave a like if you think that's gonna happen. Cause I get it pretty quick.
I mean, I have 2 amulets. Amulets, they each give me like 100 instant conversion almost. How much? I have no idea the exact amount. Moon amulet, giving me a lot of container space. Oh, 54 conversion rate for my ant. So that's still a lot. How long till these ones spawn? Probably like 2 minutes, right? No, not even 2 minutes. Okay. I only have to fill up like half of my backpack. Not gonna take super duper long, but it's gonna be the probably maybe like double the amount as the pine tree forest, which wasn't too long. I don't know what quest this is for. Oh, polar bear. Aromatic pie. Science Bear has 16 quests and I have 14 of his done. So soon I'm gonna be done with him. I'll show you Science Bear's quest. It's this one here. The biggest one there. Yes, I have over 3 million. 5,000, almost now 2,000. Yeet. Yeet. If you guys like me doing screen recorder videos, then just tell me a game on Minecraft I can't play because I have a realm and I don't know how to get rid of it. But if one of you knows how to get rid of realms, then sure, I'll play Minecraft. But I just need to know how to get rid of realms. I accidentally got one. Like, I thought I was making a world. I accidentally clicked on the realm, though. But yeah, I'll do Minecraft then. And Fortnite, I'm getting this. Just my verification went to the email, but I don't know what happened there. How am I looking? Not looking the best. I might just go over and get 75,000 from the bamboo to get 10 tickets. Not sure. Or I might finish this up and do it. No matter what, I'll still have a full backpack space. I mean, like, look how much I hold. And a porta hive, because I have so much extra container space from all the stuff, if you see in the left bottom corner. What's the time looking at? Alright, well, guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to see if I can complete this quest, and I'll see you later. Bye.